How to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are having some of the troubles on Bluetooth, here are some of the fixes. So for the first solution, you have to turn on or open services. On the search bar, tap in services and open it. Once it is open, from the list you have to search all the services related to Bluetooth and change the settings to automatic. For that, what you have to do is double click on it and the startup type should be changed to automatic and set it to apply and then OK. Do the same for the Bluetooth support service and Bluetooth user support service as well. Once it is done, you can close the services app and restart your device. Once you have restarted, the next option is to update your device driver. So for that, what you have to do is open your device manager. Once it is open, search for the Bluetooth and toggle it on. Once that is done, right-click on the adapter and click on Update Driver. And then click on Search Automatically for driver. After this, you can go on and open your Bluetooth or turn it on. So for that, on the search bar, tap in Bluetooth, toggle the option into on and link any device. So this way you are good to go. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.